If you wanted to design an alien creature from scratch, you would probably draw an octopus. 3 hearts, blue blood, no bones, and a brain that is wrapped entirely around its throat. They can change their shape, texture, and color in milliseconds. They can solve complex puzzles and hold grudges. Yet, evolutionarily speaking, they are essentially just hyper-evolved snails. Around 500 million years ago, the ancestor of the octopus was a slow-shelled mollusk. But the octopus made a radical evolutionary gamble. It abandoned its armor for pure intelligence. Here is the mind-bending science of why they look, act, and think like nothing else on Earth. Humans have a central brain that controls everything. But an octopus has 9 brains. 2/3 of their neurons are located not in their head, but inside their arms. This means each arm can literally think for itself. If you cut off an octopus arm, that severed arm will continue to crawl, hunt, and try to feed a mouth that is no longer there. The arms taste, touch, and make decisions without ever checking in with the central brain. And that central brain? It's shaped like a donut, wrapped directly around their esophagus. If an octopus swallows something too large or sharp, it can literally cause permanent brain damage. Talk about an evolutionary design flaw. Then there is their skin. An octopus changes color faster than a chameleon, but they don't use hormones or chemicals. Their skin is covered in thousands of microscopic, muscle-controlled elastic sacs filled with pigment called chromatophores. But changing color isn't enough. They can also change their physical texture using structures called papillae. They can force water into sections of their skin to instantly create bumps, ridges, and spikes to perfectly match rough coral or jagged rocks. Here is the real paradox. Octopuses are colorblind. They only have one type of light receptor. Scientists believe they're bizarre. W-shaped and rectangular pupils split light into different wavelengths, allowing them to see color through focus alone. Their skin acts like a second set of eyes. Because they have no bones, they can fit through any opening larger than their hard beak. But this total fluidity requires immense energy. To power this body, they use 3 hearts pumping copper-based blue blood, which is highly inefficient in warm water. They tire out incredibly fast. But their biggest evolutionary mystery is their lifespan. Despite their genius-level intellect, most octopuses only live for 1 to 3 years. After mating, they enter a phase called senescence. Their optic glands trigger a biological self-destruct sequence. They stop eating, tear at their own skin, and slowly waste away just as their young hatch. They might well rule the oceans. Instead, nature created a genius, gave it 9 brains, and ensured it would never live long enough to conquer the world. Subscribe to explore more of nature's strangest designs.